Hello, and welcome to my final proposal presentation, which is a solar energy campaign. The one problem that many people are having in the world is air pollution. Air pollution is when dangerous chemicals are released into the air and making it harmful for the environment and the people that live in it. An example of these chemicals are carbon emissions, which are created from cars and airplanes, which are both powered by fossil fuels. And my solution to this problem is the idea of creating a solar energy panel service. This idea will help create a safer and healthier environment for us to live in. The benefits that come with having solar energy in one's home includes reduced energy bills, as solar panels reduce the amount of electricity used by utility companies, which also decreases the amount of money people have to pay for their electricity bills. Another benefit that comes from this is a renewable energy source. Since solar energy is clean, it does not at all harm the environment, as it does not emit any carbon emissions at all whatsoever. And it's also renewable, meaning it does not run out of power. However, to those that understand that the sunlight is not always there is always a battery installed to the solar panel system to help make sure there is still energy even if there is no sunlight in one's house. Another benefit that comes with solar energy is low maintenance, as solar panels are very durable and do not have many moving parts. This way, people that wish to work on the solar panels themselves will be able to do so without any trouble. Another benefit that comes from this is the reduction of the carbon footprint, as since solar energy does not at all emit any carbon emissions at all whatsoever, it is making the environment safer and healthier to breathe in, and overall reducing the amount of air pollution that is in the air. Another benefit that is caused by solar energy, is the creation of new jobs, as solar panels can help people lead into new careers to work on solar energy, such as the installation, manufacturing, and repairing of solar panels. And last but not least, another solar panel benefit that comes from this is the increase in property values, as solar panels can help increase property values, which can deduce the amount of money people have to pay for their taxes. So to set up for my campaign, I need to create advertisements to spread information over the internet, and also to create a website that will be the main source of information on my campaign. And there's also going to be a creation of a mail delivery service for those that wish to that are not digitally technical these days, and of course the use of social media for those that often use it. So for the campaign, as I said before, will spread information all over the internet on any type of website people use, and it will be created using Google Ads, as it is a very popular tool to create ads with. And it will also lead to the main website for the campaign when they are clicked on. Now, as for the website itself, it will be the main source of information of the campaign. It will have information on solar energy and solar panels, and it will present webinars and presentations for those that are curious to know about the campaign and its goals. For mail, it will serve a similar process as advertisements, but through the physical world. And when people see these mail letters, they will read the information that is on them about the campaign and the website, and it will also tell them how they can access the website on their computers or phones. And as for social media, we will be using popular platforms used by people such as Instagram and Snapchat. And on the website, the social media platforms, we will post information on when we're going to be having our next webinars for those that are curious to become potential clients for a service. And we will also post pictures of the service we provided to our customers, so that potential clients can see what they think of solar energy. So on the website, it will have content regarding solar energy and solar panels, such as what solar energy is, to help those that do not understand exactly what solar energy is, and also it will explain to them why it can benefit them and their household. And another page will have will also discuss how solar panels work to those that wish to understand how solar panels are able to absorb energy from the sun. There will also be a page that discusses how solar panels are installed onto people's homes for those that wish to know how the process for it goes. And there is also going to be a page for the benefits that I mentioned before for solar energy. And there will also be a page for solar panel installation costs for those that wish to know how much it's going to cost for the installation process, depending on how many solar panels will be needed to be installed into one's household. There will also be a page for hiring contractors, so this will allow potential clients to see which contractor will be able to fit their budget, and will also help them see which contractor will provide the best service. And there will also be a page for customer feedback, where customers will be able to discuss the type of service they received from their hired contractors, so that the potential clients can see which contractor will suit them the best and fit their budget. And there will also be a page for how to obtain a permit, as this page will be able to tell people where they can get a permit to have their household ready for the installation process. So, before the installation process can actually begin, there are some requirements that need to be done first. For starters, the person needs to know how to pay a contractor, so that way they can understand if they should use their own life savings or if they should use a loan. And they also need to understand how much electricity they are using, so they can understand how they can save money on their bills. And then once that has been done, a contractor will be contacted by them so that they can come over and inspect the house for the installation. When the contractor arrives, they will check to see if the roof of the household will have the proper angle and orientation to help the panels absorb the most energy from the sun. Then once that has been done, they will go into the basement to check the electrical panel to see if the house's system will be supported by solar energy. And then once that has been done, a permit will be needed for the federal solar tax credit, which can be helpful for homeowners, and as it can help reduce the amount of money people pay for taxes. And also there will also be a needed for a permit to begin building the panels onto the household. Then once all the permits have been obtained, there will also need to be equipment to be acquired, and of course and then once that has been done, we can begin the installation process. So first, the solar panels are mounted onto the roof in a way that will give them the most energy to absorb. Then once that has been done, an inverter will be connected to the solar panels from the inverter. And once this will allow energy absorbed to be converted into an electric current to power the household. And once that's been done, a battery will be connected to the inverter to help make sure the system still has electricity in it even if there is no sunlight. And once that's been done, a representative will come over to the household, and then this representative will check to see if the solar panel system meets the safety requirements from the local government. Then once that's been done, a few weeks will pass by, and then you will receive a message to tell you if your solar panel system is safe and ready to be used. So for the budget that I need to start this campaign, it will range from $5,000 to $50,000. This will help recover the requirements needed, such as the direct mailing, because each letter sent would cost $3. And there would also be the advertisements, which would cost $60 to be used by Google Ads. And then, of course, the cost for a custom website can add up to $30,000. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my presentation. I thank you very much for listening to it.